That's nuts, Lily.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video. Big shout out to Monstar here for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So as you can see, we were playing in some color. I have their 613 lace front wig. This is 26 inches, 180 density. So this did come in the 613 color, and I went ahead and added some color to this wig. So this is a perfect wig for depositing color, creating like super colorful looks. Because it is a 613, you don't have to strip it. All I did was I washed the hair with purple shampoo, and then I went ahead with 3 different colors by Adore and created this look. Definitely take advantage of this sale that's going on right now. This wig has been dropped to $94. This exact wig is $94, okay? So there's 4 different discount codes that you can use. I will have them all down in the description box, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I will show you exactly how to find the wig once you go over to AliExpress. So this is 26 inches, 180 density. I did do very little tweezing when it came to this hair. What really surprised me about this hair was the lace. If I would have left my bands on for a little longer, I'm sure that I could have got a super like seamless blend, but you know, I had to get this video up and out, so we kind of cut the time short with the elastic band. But I say this time and time again, leave the bands on for as long as possible, because that's going to help push the lace into the skin, and that is what's going to give you a flawless install. If I could have went up in density, I would definitely go for like a 250. It fit really well. I had no issues with the way it fit. I was loving the lace. This is not a full 13x4, but you got enough to do a nice center part. If you want to do a side part, it's going to have to be an off center, not a deep side part. But for this price, it doesn't matter, okay? So shout out to Monstar here for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another wig video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
The bracelet match is a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chef Eagle and Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it gets. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. She want me to play with that cat. Hey. She love how I make it on wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring the girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And 3 big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Turn the cradle to the grave. Hey, Gordo got me on a wave. And got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave. What? You niggas better behave. But all that pumping up your chest. All that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't no I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you.